Struggling with tech issues? Get expert help now. Call 239-387-1900 today for fast, reliable service. Introducing Remote Tech Support Service in Lehigh Acres, your trusted partner for all your tech needs. We provide personalized tech support for homes and offices. Enjoy convenient, hassle-free solutions right at your location. Our services include computer repair, software troubleshooting, virus removal and protection, and network setup and optimization. Why choose us? We offer affordable rates, expert technicians, and fast solutions. Our team is dedicated to resolving your tech problems efficiently, ensuring you get back to your routine without delay. Serving Lehigh Acres and surrounding areas, we're just a call away for all your tech problems. Whether you're in the heart of Lehigh Acres or nearby, our services are accessible to you. Call 239-387-1900 to schedule your service today. Or visit Tech Support Services LehighAcresFL.com for more information. We're here to provide the tech support you need when you need it. Remote assistance is available for ultimate convenience. We can fix your problems without you leaving home. Prefer an in-person visit? We come to you. Enjoy tech support at your home or office. Don't wait for your tech issues to get worse. Contact us today for a quick and stress-free solution. Remote Tech Support Service Lehigh Acres is your budget-friendly solution for reliable tech help. Call us now for immediate assistance.